Oh, hi. Okay. Flipping video. Wait. Do you hear that sound? If you don't, you're weird. Look at some of it. Very cool. Like it's a ghost. Oh. What was that? Grab it. Oh. This was the process. I think I know the potion. It's a person. It was this here. Burn. Wait. Burn 200 million years ago. Okay? And it's weird, it's scary, and the dream, yeah, her dream was to get a baby. Okay? And she's not alive anymore, she's a ghost. And she just kills people so she can get her way. I know, it's like, whoa. I'm not sure she does that, but like, I'm pretty sure she doesn't kill little people. She just like makes them hurt. Yeah. And I don't know what to do. And I don't know why I'm not scared or going inside or like running. But she can be anywhere, even in your house. Okay? So, no. What's happening? No. Don't flip again. Don't flip again. No. No.